In the Synergy Gradebook, I can take attendance in two ways. By hovering over the word attendance, my choices are take attendance by seating chart or take attendance by class list. If I click on class list, you can see I have a list of my students on the left, and I can take attendance by finding the appropriate cell and clicking once for late, twice for late excused, and the third time for absent. Synergy also makes it easy to enter bulk attendance. So let's say that I have many students who have shown up late. If I enter in L for attendance by clicking once, and then I fill down using the green arrow that shows up right next to the L mark, you can see I've got a bunch entered here. But let's say just these students came in tardy. I can go back here, I can click till I have nothing by clicking a fourth time, and then filling down from there. So Synergy has some nice features for taking attendance quickly. Also, you'll see on the right side that it's keeping a summary of who's been tardy and who is absent.